Adding a credit card to your Cash App is straightforward, enabling you to add funds and make purchases. First, download or open the Cash App on your iOS or Android device, or access it via the web. Once the app is open, log in with your phone number or email. Navigate to the Banking tab, which may seem counterintuitive, but it handles card linking. Select Add a Bank. Enter your credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing zip code. Cash App may place a small temporary hold, like $1, on your card for verification, which is immediately refunded. This process supports Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover cards, including some international cards issued by these networks. Be aware that while linking the card is free, transaction fees may apply when using the card for certain actions. To unlock higher transaction limits and fully utilize your linked credit card, you'll need to verify your identity. Cash App offers a couple of verification methods. One involves micro deposits. Cash App deposits two small amounts, like pennies, into your bank account linked to the card, and you enter these amounts in the app to confirm. Alternatively, some users may be eligible for instant verification using their SSN or a government ID. In some cases, Cash App might request a photo of your card or proof of address. Once verified, your limits increase significantly. Unverified accounts have lower limits, such as $250 per transaction and $1,000 monthly. Verified accounts, as of late 2025, can transfer up to $1 to $1,250 instantly and have a monthly limit of $7,500. Remember, these limits apply to adding funds or making payments. Sending money to others may have separate, lower caps for unverified users. Be mindful of potential credit card debt and overdraft fees from your card issuer when using your linked card on Cash App. Note that Cash App funds are not FDIC insured, as it is not a traditional bank account.